Okay, this is the it's larger than I thought, circular saw. It's twice as large and about 3 times the weight of my largest 19 centimetre circular saw. It can cut up to nearly 14 centimetres. It's precisely twice 19, 38.2 centimetres in diameter, the blade, that is to say. And it weighs a lot, and just starting it up causes my it's got quite a pull on that. I've just used it once to cut that line there, and now I'm going to cut where I've cut before. Probably not a good idea, don't know. Oh dear, for some reason it got stuck. I want to start it up in this position. The axe is stuck in the wood because I tried to use an axe to prise it apart. Well, yes, there it is. There, one large circular saw. I think that it will get through this large log with 2 cuts. Unfortunately, I can't cut from the other side because my axe is stuck in the log. There we go.